What's going on, guys? Brandon here, Legacy Group Real Estate Team. We have your Macomb County September 2019 real estate market update. Let's jump right into this thing. So I always preface every video with a couple things. We have the month in arrears because the month is now done, the data is in, and we have the information for you. We have 3 years of data because you have to see the trend. The trend is your friend. If we just give you 1 year data, it's not going to make any sense. So we got to give you 3 years of data that we can see exactly what's going on. So jump right into this thing. Days on market is DOM. Anytime you see that, average days on market. 30 days on market 2 years ago, down to 27 last year, and then up to 33 this year. So more days on market. Got a lot of crazy stuff going on right now. That's for sure. Active homes on the market, 1,723 2 years ago, 1,721 last year, almost identical, and then up to 2,003 this year. So again, that's one day data though. That's 1 day sample of what's on the market the day the data was taken. So again, remember that the trend is more important here than the actual number itself. Months of inventory, 112. Actually, it's 1.61. So I rounded up here. These years of data, we didn't have the actual, to the decimal point, but I'm sure it was around 1.5, same thing. So it's changed maybe a little bit, but this is really important because this gives you a quick example of where we're at in the market. 1 to 3 months is a seller's market. 4 to 6 is a balanced market, and then 7 plus is a buyer's market. So now you know really quickly where you're at in the market. This is just incredibly important. As an investor, as a retail buyer, whatever it may be, you got to know what kind of market you're going into, what kind of market you're in, or else you're going to make bad decisions. So we have 112, like I said, we're in a seller's market still, a steep seller's market. Once inventory starts increasing over time, then maybe we'll get towards more of a balanced market, hopefully. So again, good thing for a seller though right now, right? So like I said, at the rate homes are selling, how long will it take to sell every last home with no new homes coming in the market? That's what month of inventory stands for. New homes in the market. Now this is new homes that were actually listed on the market in that month, total number of homes. So this is more that monthly number instead of this 1 day number here. New homes, 2014, 2 years ago, 1,925 last year, and then 2017 this year. So we're back up a little bit again to 2017 levels, which is good to see. Hopefully, again, this balances out a little bit more going forward. Price per square foot, 100 2 years ago, 106 last year, and 122 this year. So again, inventory shortages previously they equate to higher prices, obviously, right? Less supply, more demand, higher prices. So if you take this number and you multiply by your square footage, it'll give you approximately what your value of your home is. Remember though, this is countywide data, so if you really want the valuation on your home, you have to have a professional come to your home and actually give you a valuation on your home. You have to have someone on our team, an appraiser, someone come give you the valuation on your home. So the last one here, we have sold. This is actual physical closings, people signing documents and closing homes. 1,386 2 years ago, 1,239 last year, and then 1,241 this year. So again, down just a tad. Don't see that a ton, or you don't see huge changes usually unless there's a depression or recession or depression, something astronomical happening. Some type of big event. That's going to really impact buyers. Because this is really more of that buyer statistic. So anyway, that is your Macomb County market update 2019 for September. Hope you guys got something out of that. If you know someone in Macomb County, something that might benefit, please share it with them, tag them. If you're listening on the podcast, go to @LegacyGroupMI on our YouTube and Facebook. Go put your questions, comments, concerns there. We'll answer them. I appreciate your time, your energy. It's the most important thing we have. So I really do appreciate that. And we'll see you on the next one.